Upon coming home, Ratchet hid under the bed and refused to come out. We couldn't tell if he was mad at us for leaving him in California while we went to Arkansas, or if he was actually sick. And it turned out that it was actually the second option. Hey everyone, I'm trying not to drop my phone, but I'm at the park behind the library right now, and I'm trying really hard not to drop my phone in the water. That would be really hilarious if I dropped my phone into the pond. Except no, it wouldn't, but yeah. But yeah, I just got back from Arkansas a few days ago. I feel like birds to me are kind of representatives of like the afterlife. Like, I feel like people become birds when they die sometimes, and they get to experience the freedom that they didn't experience in this life. But yeah, sometimes I wish I was a bird, just like Jenny and Forrest Gump when she prayed to become a bird. But I'm a little stressed, honestly, because I have to make a presentation for my mom about the writer's workshop that I'm taking. She wants me to make a presentation for her after each class to tell her what I learned. So I have to do that still. I still haven't done that, and I've had since Tuesday to do it, but like I've just been not really very productive being. So yeah. So I need to do that and not drop my phone in the pond. So yeah, I need to make that presentation, and I don't know what to say, like, because it's like a writer's workshop, so it's more like discussion based, and it's just like a lot of the things that like people were saying. So I guess I could just make a presentation based on like what the people were saying in response to the instructor's questions. But and I took notes, so I took a lot of notes, so I could just like organize my notes and put them into slides, and then explain to my mom what people were saying during the, because it wasn't like the instructor was really like teaching us like things that he thought. He was just trying to get us to say what we thought. I mean, he still did say some things that he thought, but anyway, yeah.
这个不进去，不是说的不可以动，这也不进去，进去。你又不好好做，不想办法，老是坚持自己那些古怪的行为，去怎么赚钱？
Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm at Juice and Boba right now, and I just got a cacao brulee.
这唯一除了喝也没有别的内容。
Yeah.
那你喝也要喝不一样的，有点特点的呀。
I'm trying something new today. Cacao brulee. It's iced chocolate. It's really good. Thousand Oaks.
你看，你看他抱着我的这里，you see，他手抱着我的胳膊，紧紧的抓着。你有这么可怜吗，我宝贝啊？妈不会抛弃你的，噻。小可怜啊，点头发，小 的可怜虫虫，可怜虫虫，啊宝贝啊，啊宝贝啊，现在，啊亲个，拉那么多粑粑，我终于放心了。告诉别人。
Is it delicious? Anyways, thanks for watching vlog number 67. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. New videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 5. This is a 60-second fairy tales production.